Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the in and not in operators, how this can be used in the string. See, what is in? Basically, this in and not in operators can use with strings just like with the value, list values. An expression with two strings joined using in or not in will evaluate to a boolean true or false. If the string is existing, then it will be in, that is true. If the string is not existing, then it becomes a false. Say for example, if I say x equals hello, capital HELLO, all are small case letters in hello world. Is this hello, that is the string 1, with both case upper and lower cases characters, in the same way it is there in this string. If it is there, then we will call it as true. It is a boolean operation. So the print x is true because this hello is there here. Same. Both here is h is also uppercase, here also h is uppercase. ELLO all are smaller case, here also ELLO is a smaller case, and hence this hello is present in this hello world. Therefore, the output is true. Similarly, x equals hello in hello, yes, this is also same as this, so the output is true. Similarly, if I say x is equal to, all are capitals here, hello, in this hello world, and this hello is different, basically because here all are capital letters, here only h is capital letter. Therefore, since it is not there, you will say output is false. Now, how exactly it is taking? Basically, this will compare character by character by considering the ASCII characters of the capital letters is compared with the ASCII character of the capital letters in this case. Here you can see the ASCII character of capital letter is compared with the ASCII character of this string. If both are equal, then it becomes true. So that is what it does here. Similarly, cats not in, cats and dogs. So not in means what? This string should not be there in this. If it is not there, then it becomes true. But here this becomes false because the cats is there in this cats. Therefore, since it is not in, so obviously it should be false. This string should not be there in this, then only it becomes true in this case. If it is in this string should be there in this. Similarly, these expression test whether the first string, that is the exact string, comma case sensitive, can be found within the second string. Now, we will going to have some of the useful strings method. For example, we consider the upper method, the lower method, is upper method, and is lower string methods. The upper and lower string methods return a new string where all the letters in the original string have been converted to uppercase or lowercase respectively. Non-letter characters in the string remain unchanged. What is this non-letter character? That means it is, for example, the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the numbers which are non-letter characters. For example, if you are considering spam equals hello world, then I will going to convert this into uppercase letter. X is equal to spam dot upper. What is that? This spam is nothing but the name of the variable. Which is the name of the variable? The name of the variable is this spam. What is the value of this spam? The value of this spam is hello world having an exclamatory mark. So I want to convert whatever the value it is there in this spam variable is to be converted into uppercase letter. So print this variable which is x. which will be upper, all over, all are in capital letters. Similarly, if you consider this, spam equals hello world, here H is uppercase and all other characters are smaller letters. X equals, I am declaring it as one more variable, then equals spam dot lower. So what does it mean? The value which contains in the variable spam, which is hello world, you convert this entire string into lowercase letters, that is small letters. So here CLLO, WORLD all are in small letters except this capital H. So you need to convert this into a small letter. So therefore the output will be small HELLO space world WORLD and the exclamatory mark. So that is how you are going to get. Similarly, if you are considering, note that these methods do not change the string itself, but return it to a new string values. That means I am considering, if I don't consider this X, then what happens? Spam dot lower means this old string itself will be converted into a lowercase letters. But in this case, what happens? We are declaring the original string will remain the same, whereas the new string which is being changed, and to give the variable name as X, only this X will going to have a smaller letter like this. So that is what we are telling here. Note that these methods do not change the string itself, but new string values. If you want to change the original string, you have to call upper or lower method on the string and then assign the new string, which is what we have written here. X is equal to spam dot lower or X is equal to spam dot upper. The new string to the variable where the original was stored. This is why you must be using spam equals spam dot upper to change the string in spam instead of simply say spam dot upper. If you want to change the original string itself, then it should be spam dot upper. That's what he means. Now, the upper and lower methods are helpful if you need to make a case insensitive comparison. The strings grade and G, capital GRE and small at are not equal to each other. But in the following program, it does not matter whether the user types GREAT or GREAT because the string is first converted into a lowercase. For example, if I say example, print how are you is the question mark. Feeling is equal to import. So what the output comes in the output, you can see the moment when you see the print function, that will going to be displayed here. Now feeling is equal to input. So it is expecting some input from your side. So what I am doing is I am entering GRE in capital letters and small letters AT. Now what happens? If feeling dot lower is equal to grade, I am comparing that feeling dot lower case letters to the smaller case letters of GREAT. Here, what is the feeling input? This one is the feeling input. Now what I am doing is I am converting these characters, these characters into lowercase. What is the lowercase? GREAT, small letters, GREAT. This small letter GREAT is equal to GREAT. Yes, the condition is true. It is comparing between the converted lowercase letter of capital GREAT equals small GREAT, because since it is capital GREAT is converted into capital GRE and small letters AT is converted into lowercase because it is converting feeling dot lower. Feeling is the what? Feeling is the variable name. What is the value of this variable? The value of this variable is this GREAT. Since this condition is true, therefore what will going to be the output? It will comes into this. I feel great too. It will going to print. So this is one input. Suppose how are you? And then I will give it in this fashion. All are capital letters GREAT. Now what if feeling dot lower? So what I am doing now, I am converting this all capital letters into small letters. That means small GREAT. This this small great is equal to this small great, condition is true, therefore I feel great too. Now the third time output. Now I will go for, I want to check how this will going to work now. If this has to work, then this entire condition should become wrong. So how I can do that? I will going to give you the input as capital TAKE, that is take. What is the value of this variable feeling? It will be capital TAKE. Now the string what you have now feeling is TAKE capital letters. Now you are converting that into small letters. What is that? Feeling dot lower will be equal to small TAKE, that is small letters TAKE. Is small letters TAKE is equal to small letters GREAT? No, because this ASCII values and this ASCII values will become different. So hence, since this condition becomes false, it won't execute this, but instead, I hope the rest of your day is good. So this is how it will going to work. When you run this program, the question is displayed and entering a variation on GRE, small letters grade, such as capital GRE and then small letters GRE, will still give the output as I feel great, because I feel great too, because all the characters you are converting into lowercase, and this lowercase converted letter is comparing with this string which is GRE. Therefore, this is how it will go to work. Adding code to your program to handle variations or mistakes in user input such as inconsistent capitalization will make your programs easier to use and less likely to fail. Then, now we'll go to how to check for these things in Python program. If I say x equals, then I will say hello in hello world. I will say hello in hello world. Hello in hello world. Then I will go for print x. Then I will run this program. It says it is true. Condition is true. You can see here the condition is true. Then hello in hello. Hello in hello. Yes. Condition is true. Yes. Then hello in hello world. I will type hello world. I will make this capital letters. Condition becomes false. Condition becomes false. Now, hello in hello world, condition is false. Then, cats not in, then we have x equals cats not in cats and dogs. Condition is true, because it is, the condition becomes false because cats is there in cats and dogs. So this is how it will go to execute this. Similarly, when you come to this, spam is equal to hello world. Now we go for the next case. Spam equals hello world. We have yes, hello exclamation. Then in the next case, I want to convert this into uppercase letters. X is equal to spam dot upper. Then I will say print x. All are becomes capital letters only. Hello world. If you see, and I will try to execute this by debug Python file. So first it will take spam. I will take spam is equal to hello world. Then what is the value? X will going to become converting this entire thing into hello world. Now, if I say print x, x is equal to hello world, so it will going to print this value, hello world. Suppose if I say, now I will delete this, I will say print span, and if you try to do these two, then you can see that hello world is also printed and hello world is also printed. First x value, so x value is hello world or capital, and in the second case spam, so the spam original value remains the same here. So that is how you can be able to treat it. Similarly, x is equal to spam dot lower. So the entire thing will going to become small letters. Print x will be small letters first, hello world, and then you have the original spam letters also. So this is how it will going to work. Now we will come to this now. So we will going to try to execute this program now. So to do that, I will say print. So what is that? Print, how are you? How are you? Then I will say feeling equals input. I am expecting the input function. If feeling feeling dot upper, feeling dot lower, no? If feeling dot lower equals grade, if feeling is equal to lower, print I feel grade 2. Print I feel grade 2. Else print I hope the rest of your day is good. Print I hope the rest of the day is good. Okay. Now we will try to print it. So first I will go for how are you. So it is expecting the input. I will give GRE small at. I will say capital GRE. Then I will enter. I feel grade 2 is the answer. Why? Because I will try to compare these two. I will go to debug Python file. So I will come to this. So feeling input. I will say capital GRE small at. Enter. Feeling dot lower. Feeling dot lower is what? Is GRE at equals GRE at. Now the condition is true. So what it will going to give? It will give I feel grade 2. So I will say I feel grade 2. Yes, it will execute this and comes out of the loop. Now we will go for the second case. What is that? Print how are you? Then you come down to this. I will type GRE at. Sorry. GRE at. Enter. So entire thing has to be converted. Yes, it is converting. So I feel grade 2. So I feel grade 2. That is also we are able to get it. Now we want to take up the one more. I will say go to debug Python file, and here I will say print feeling. Yes, I will come down to this. I will take TAKE, whatever you want, you can take. You just enter, and is lower letter is already there, great, but it is not true. So it won't execute this, but it jumps to this. In previous two cases, it was going to this because it was true. Since this becomes false, therefore, I hope the rest of the day is good. So this is how it will going to be executes this. Now in the next video, we will going to discuss about is upper and is lower methods. Thank you.